Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best large table is probably one of the most versatile pieces of furniture you can add to your home, serving as a central hub for everything from family dinners and work-from-home sessions to game nights and craft projects. Its expansive surface area offers unparalleled flexibility, allowing you to spread out, accommodate multiple people comfortably, and tackle a wide range of activities without feeling cramped or restricted. Whether you're looking to upgrade your dining room, create a functional workspace, or simply need more room to spread out, a large table can dramatically enhance the usability and aesthetic of your living space, making it a truly indispensable addition. Number 5. COSCO 6 feet fold-in-half banquet table. Introducing the COSCO 6 feet fold-in-half banquet table. It's designed for convenience and versatility. It features a secure lock that keeps the table closed when you're transporting it. This ensures it stays put during movement. When folded and locked, the comfort handle makes it easy to carry. Transporting it from place to place is no longer a hassle. The all-season tabletop is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. You can use it anywhere, in any weather. Weighing only 25.5 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight. This makes it easy for anyone to carry and set up. When folded, its compact dimensions of 36.5 L x 29.6 D x 3H allow for easy transportation and storage. It fits conveniently when not in use. What we like? This table features a secure lock and a comfort handle, making it incredibly easy to transport. Its lightweight design further enhances portability. If you need a table that's simple to carry and store for events or temporary setups, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? Very sturdy, we had 6 people eating at it and no issues with it wobbling or anything like that. It folds and unfolds easily, and is super sturdy, even on plush carpet. The handle is a nice bonus feature that makes it easy to carry when folded. The fold-in-half design with the built-in handle makes it easy to carry and store without taking up much room. The table feels stable and well-made. The legs lock securely into place, and the surface is smooth and easy to wipe clean after use. It comfortably seats 6 adults without feeling cramped, and it holds weight well without sagging in the middle. Number 4. Keter heavy-duty folding workbench. Need a workspace in a hurry? This workbench sets up in just 30 seconds with no assembly required. It's perfect for any project, big or small, at home or on the go. Tackle your toughest jobs with confidence. This table supports up to 1,000 pounds and includes adjustable clamps for secure material handling. You'll have plenty of space for all your needs. From woodworking to miter saws, this workbench is incredibly versatile. Its quick folding design makes storage and transport a breeze, so you can set up and pack up in no time. Built to last, this workbench is made from weather-resistant materials and sturdy aluminum legs. It won't rust, peel, or dent, ensuring reliable performance in any condition. For over 75 years, Keter has been designing innovative solutions inspired by your life. We create products that make your day-to-day living better, both inside and outside your home. What we like? This workbench offers an impressive 1,000-pound capacity and sets up in seconds. Its durable, weather-resistant construction means it can handle tough jobs. If you're a DIY enthusiast, woodworker, or need a reliable station for outdoor projects, this robust and spacious option is ideal. What people say? The table is very sturdy and well-made. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my dining room. The large surface area is perfect for family gatherings. Number 3. Best Choice Product 6 feet folding table. This table features an extra thick, easy to clean surface that can hold up to 300 pounds. It's built to last, with a higher weight capacity than other options. Use it anywhere you need extra space. It's perfect for outdoor gatherings like picnics and parties, or as a convenient surface for indoor events. With powder-coated steel legs, secure frame locks, and non-slip feet, this table stays firmly in place. You can rely on its stability for any occasion. Its foldable design includes a convenient handle and a side lock. This makes it simple to transport or store away neatly when not in use. No assembly required. Just unfold it, lock the legs, and it's ready for immediate use. It's that simple to set up. What we like? This table boasts a thicker, heavy-duty tabletop with a 300 pounds weight capacity, making it stronger than many alternatives. It's also designed for versatile indoor and outdoor use. If you're hosting parties, picnics, or need a reliable surface for serving or display, this sturdy and portable table is a great fit. What people say. The plastic is thicker and looks more durable. The metal parts are well welded. The surface of the table has a matte finish. It is made of high-density polyethylene, HDPE, and steel. The smooth curves and soft finish are appreciated for long work sessions. Number 2. Best Choice Product 6 Feet Folding Table, Black. This table boasts a strong, easy-to-clean surface, made with high-quality plastic that's thicker and more durable than other brands. It can hold up to 300 pounds, making it ideal for all your needs. Its versatility makes it perfect for any occasion. Use it for outdoor cookouts and parties, or as a convenient serving and display table for indoor events. Powder-coated steel legs, frame joint locks, and non-slip rubber feet ensure it stays securely in place. You can rely on its stability throughout your event. The foldable design features a side lock and handle, making it incredibly easy to transport. When not in use, it stores away compactly. No assembly required. Simply unfold it, lock the legs, and it's ready to go. Enjoy convenience right out of the box. What we like. Similar to its white counterpart, this table features a thicker, heavy-duty tabletop with a 300 pounds weight capacity for superior durability. Its portable design with a lock and handle makes it easy to take anywhere. If you need a reliable, easy-to-transport table for various events like picnics, parties, or camping, this black version offers both functionality and style. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well-made. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my dining room. The size is perfect for our family of 6. Number 1. Best Choice Products 8 Feet Folding Table. This tabletop is incredibly strong and easy to clean. It boasts a high-quality plastic construction that's thicker than other brands and can hold up to 300 pounds. Its versatile design makes it perfect for any event, whether it's an outdoor cookout or an indoor party. Use it as a dining table, game table, or even a display surface. You can count on its stability thanks to the powder-coated steel legs and frame joint locks. Non-slip rubber feet ensure it stays firmly in place. Taking it with you is a breeze with its foldable design, side lock, and convenient handle. It also stores away compactly when not in use. There's no assembly required. Simply unfold it, lock the legs for stability, and it's ready to go. It measures 96L x 30W x 28.5H. What we like. This is the largest option, offering an expansive 8-foot length with a heavy-duty, easy-to-clean tabletop and a 300 pounds capacity. It's perfect for larger gatherings or when you need significant surface area. If you're planning big events, need a spacious game table, or require ample room for serving and display, this extended table is the perfect solution. What people say. The plastic is thicker and looks more durable. The metal parts are well welded. The surface of the table has a matte finish. It is made of high-density polyethylene, HDPE, and steel. The smooth curves and soft finish are appreciated for long working hours. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.